The Impatient Rabbit short story. A rabbit loved to boast about being the fastest in the forest. One day, it saw a snail and laughed. "You're so slow. I could reach the hill and back before you even move an inch," the snail replied calmly. "Let's see." The rabbit dashed off but soon grew impatient, thinking the race was pointless. It decided to rest under a tree. Meanwhile, the determined snail kept moving steadily. By the time the rabbit woke, the snail was near the finish line. Embarrassed, the rabbit learned its lesson. Moral: patience and perseverance often outshine haste and arrogance. Thanks for watching.